Welcome to Gadget Expert. Got cracks in your concrete? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether it's your driveway, sidewalk, or basement floor, fixing those cracks is easier than you think. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best concrete crack fillers on the market to help you choose the right one for a clean, long-lasting repair. And here's some exciting news. Once we reach 5,000 subscribers, we'll host a special giveaway. From our previous reviews, one lucky subscriber will win a product valued between $1,000 and $1,200. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join the Gadget Expert community. Alright, let's dive into today's review. Number 5. DALTON Latexite 10.1 Oz Gray Concrete Crack Filler. DALTON Latexite Concrete crack filler is an affordable yet effective solution for repairing small to medium cracks in concrete surfaces. It is a latex-based filler with a strong and weather-resistant seal, making it ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. One of the biggest benefits of this product is its ease of use. The filler comes in a standard caulk tube, allowing for precise application using a caulking gun. It spreads easily and dries quickly, usually within 24 hours, forming a durable seal that prevents water infiltration and further damage. Since it is a latex-based filler, it remains slightly flexible, accommodating minor concrete movement. It also cleans up easily with water, making it a hassle-free option for DIY projects. However, a downside is that it may not be as durable as polyurethane or epoxy-based fillers. Over time, in areas with heavy foot or vehicle traffic, reapplication may be needed. Additionally, its gray color might not be an exact match for all concrete surfaces, so additional painting or sealing may be required for a seamless appearance. Overall, DALTON Latexite Concrete Crack Filler is a great budget-friendly option for homeowners looking for an easy and effective way to repair small cracks in their concrete surfaces. Number 4. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler is a high-quality, flexible crack repair solution that is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Unlike traditional rigid fillers that may crack over time due to concrete expansion and contraction, this product remains flexible, ensuring long-term durability. One of the best features of Bluestar is its easy application. It comes in a squeeze bottle, allowing for precise application directly into the crack without the need for additional tools. The formula self-adjusts to fit different crack sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of repairs. This crack filler is also resistant to water, UV rays, and chemicals, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Once cured, it provides a strong yet flexible bond that prevents further cracking. The product is available in both light gray and dark gray colors, ensuring a better match with different concrete surfaces. However, one minor drawback is that Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler is slightly more expensive than standard rigid fillers. Additionally, multiple applications may be needed to achieve optimal results for deep or wide cracks. Overall, this is an excellent product for those looking for a long-lasting, flexible crack repair solution that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Number 3. Red Devil 0644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch. Red Devil 0644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch is a multi-purpose crack filler designed for both small and medium cracks in concrete walls, floors, driveways, and foundations. Its pre-mixed formula eliminates the need for additional mixing, making it easy to apply directly from the container. One of the main advantages of this product is its versatility. Unlike some fillers that are only suited for specific crack sizes or orientations, this patch works well on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. It adheres strongly to concrete and dries to a light gray color, providing a smooth and professional finish. The application process is simple. Clean the crack, apply the patch using a putty knife or trowel, and smooth it out. Drying time varies, depending on the thickness of the application, but it typically takes 24 to 48 hours to fully cure. A downside to this filler is that it is not self-leveling, so extra effort is needed to ensure a smooth finish. Additionally, while it offers good durability, it may require sealing for maximum weather resistance, especially in areas exposed to heavy rain or freeze-thaw cycles. Overall, Red Devil 10644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch is a reliable and easy-to-use product for general concrete crack repairs, making it a great choice for DIYers and homeowners. Number 2. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is a high-performance polyurethane-based sealant designed for repairing horizontal cracks in concrete surfaces, such as driveways, sidewalks, patios, and garages. Its self-leveling formula means that it spreads evenly without requiring manual smoothing, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features of Sikaflex is its flexibility. Unlike rigid fillers that may crack under extreme temperature changes, this sealant expands and contracts with the concrete, ensuring long-lasting durability. It is also waterproof and resistant to chemicals and road salts, making it perfect for outdoor applications. The application is straightforward. Cut the nozzle, load the tube into a caulking gun, and apply directly into the crack. The sealant begins to cure within a few hours and fully dries within 3 to 5 days, forming a tough and durable seal. Its gray color blends well with most concrete surfaces. However, because of its self-leveling nature, Sikaflex works best on horizontal surfaces. It is not ideal for vertical cracks, as it tends to flow out of place. Additionally, it can be a bit messy if over-applied, so careful application is necessary. Overall, Sikaflex self-leveling sealant is one of the best choices for repairing driveway and sidewalk cracks, providing long-lasting protection against weather and wear. Number 1. DEP 37584 Liquid Cement Crack Filler. DEP 37584. Liquid cement crack filler is one of the most popular and effective products for repairing small cracks in concrete surfaces. This ready-to-use filler is designed for narrow cracks up to 1 to 2 inch wide and provides a durable and weather-resistant seal once dried. One of the biggest advantages of this crack filler is its ease of use. Since it comes in a liquid form, it requires no mixing. Simply shake the bottle, pour the filler into the crack and let it settle. This makes it an excellent option for homeowners who want a quick and simple solution without dealing with complex application processes. Once applied, DEP 37584 dries to a gray color, which blends well with most concrete surfaces. Depending on weather conditions, it also hardens quickly, typically within 30 to 45 minutes. This fast-drying feature ensures that you can use the repaired surface sooner than with many other fillers. However, one downside is that this filler is best suited for small and narrow cracks. For larger or deeper cracks, multiple applications may be required, or a thicker product may be necessary. Additionally, while the filler is water resistant, extreme freeze-thaw cycles could cause it to crack over time. Overall, DEP 37584 Liquid Cement Crack Filler is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a fast, easy, and effective way to repair small concrete cracks. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.